In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a medicine stick, also known as a talking stick. To make a talking stick / medicine stick, you will need the following: scissors, dreamcatcher hoop, a knife to cut a slit into the wood, glue, artificial sinew, and leather that you cut into lace. To make a medicine stick, you start with a dreamcatcher. Please check out my other videos to learn how to make a dreamcatcher. So after you've securely tied on your sinew to the dreamcatcher, you proceed to make your dreamcatcher. Now for me, I'm going to stop doing the dreamcatcher at this point because I have a charm that I want to add into the center. For the rest of you, you just continue on going around. Okay, at this point I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to cut the slit in the stick. So I'm going to use this big oversized knife. There's a right way and a wrong way. This is probably more on the wrong way, so for you younger ones, please have your parents cut the stick. Right there should be about fine. You don't need the knife anymore. Now at this point, you're going to insert the dreamcatcher into the slit. Now you can set it aside and cut your lacing. I have already pre-cut lacing, so you need enough lacing to wrap around. You need enough lacing to wrap around and wrap the stick. Now you just start wrapping. Use a little bit of this wrap to attach the dreamcatcher. Now it really doesn't matter if your lace is cut uniformly, as long as it's cut. This is where patience will be required because your lace will tangle up. I probably have too much lace here, but it'll always come in handy at another project. Now at this point, check your. Now sometimes it'll be firm, sometimes it'll be loose like this. This is where the glue comes in, and you fill that little gap. Just put glue in that gap later on. Okay, so I'll pause this for a bit. You just keep on wrapping and wrapping and wrapping till you get back to this point, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, at this point I'm finding my lace is way too long, and I'm spending more time tangling or detangling than I am. So I'm going to cut about that much off. Alright, continue wrapping. Now we go down the stick. You can overlap the leather slightly. But it shouldn't take too long. So I'll meet you midway down. Meet you when we get to here. Now at this point you have to consider whether you're going to put fringe on or not. Now fringe is just a rectangular scrap piece of leather, about like that you wrap around. Then you continue wrapping. This will also raise your handle, so you have a little bit of a hand grip. At this point you're going to tie your leather. I usually go around twice. The fringe is also not necessary, and you can leave that. This you cut as your fringe. Now we're going to address that little area in the front with your glue. Put some in the cavity. Not too much. You don't want it to spill on your leather. It will stain your leather. Alright. So if you continue just doing the lace, you'd be done. You add a charm to this, or you continue the dreamcatcher all the way and add a small charm. I'm adding a larger charm, so I left it. You wrap your handle all the way down. That you tie it off. This you cut as your fringe. Alright. When we come back, I'll show you how to decorate it with. Okay, we're here. We're going to start cutting the fringe. So I'm going to show you. All you do is grab the edge. Grab the edge and start cutting your fringe. Don't have to go all the way up. Just do about that. Then you just continue your fringe all the way. Whoops. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is hand cut fringe. I'm sure our ancestors didn't weren't super picky on perfection. Alright, now you just continue on cutting this whole section. Okay, we're back, fringe is on. Now time for some decorative lace. Now for this, I just do this. Grab a few more chunks of this. Add one here. That hole's a little small. And we'll put one piece on the handle. This allows people to have something to play with when they're holding the stick. That's all what the fringe is for. People. Alright, we'll put the charm on and we'll be finished. Okay, the charm. This is a turtle charm. Yeah, there's the finished product. Alright, here's the finished product, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy trying to make one. Alright, take care. Oh, and if you wish to see more, I have more videos coming, more videos on. And if you wish to subscribe, you'll be the first to know of a new video. Thanks. Bye.